What's good, YouTube? We're making it work. I'm Jimmy, if you haven't been here before. Working on a 2011 Lexus RX350 SUV. Customer complained we put a throttle body in it a year ago, and now they have no throttle response. So I hooked up my scanner, checking for codes. Had a P2118 throttle body power circuit code. So I went ahead and checked the fuses. I had to put a jump box on it to start it and bring it into the shop. So I went ahead and hooked up my scanner, and this circuit, the BM voltage circuit, was at 0.06 volts. So once I saw that I had to put a jump box on it, I went and checked the fuses. The fuse was blown to the throttle body. I changed the fuse, cleared the codes. Now I got my 13 volts, and the throttle is working. Long story short, either there's something in the circuit or the throttle body that blew that fuse, which I doubt, or something funny's going on when they jump started it because they have a bad battery that's about 7 years old and needs to be replaced probably a year ago. But super bad battery and a blown fuse set a throttle body code. Something simple like checking fuses. I'm assuming that they touched cables backwards or something to that effect and blew the fuse, because it's been running a little while now and the fuse hasn't blown again. So I'm going to take it on a quick road test, but I'm thinking this one's going to be fixed, all because of a throttle body fuse. $1.75. It's that special little fuse with the short legs on the side. So, well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe if you made it to the end. I really appreciate it. That's what matters the most on YouTube nowadays, if people watch the videos all the way through. So thanks for that. See you in the next one. Goodness. Another quick, easy day. Everything's fixed. Might as well go home.